I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this viral Jennifer Aniston salad. I've got my apron on. Now let's make this viral salad recipe. So you might be wondering, why in the world am I making a recipe called Jennifer Aniston salad? Well, saw what people were posting and they're not posting the right salad. So I was like, you know what? The salad that she really made actually sounds pretty keto friendly, so I'm gonna make it. So that's what we're doing today. It is a combination of salad greens. Her recipe calls for iceberg. I'm gonna use green leaf lettuce, it's just better. And then chicken, salami, chickpeas, Parmesan, and tomato. It's not couscous, it's not quinoa, it's not cucumber, it's none of that stuff. So first thing I'm going to do is dice a tomato. So in my original recipe, I forgot the tomato, but I really like to have tomato on my salad sometimes. And I am not a dicing expert, but one thing I will tell you is that it's very helpful to have a really nice sharp knife. And you may not want this was a small tomato. You may not want the whole thing on your salad. This recipe is enough for one person. You could definitely make multiple salads with this, just multiply the ingredients. I'm just going to do half of a tomato. I think that's plenty. I always chop my vegetables before I chop my meat. Now I'm going to chop my salami. Of course, it's already cooked, but if it was raw meat, I would not use this cutting board. This is a nice wooden cutting board. I would use a plastic one. But this recipe calls for 2 slices. You could do more, but since it's already got pretty calorie dense things like Parmesan, garbanzo beans, I only put 2 slices. And then the dressing. I almost forgot the dressing. Oh my gosh. It's got Parmesan, it's got salami, it's got chicken, it's got chickpeas, plus the dressing. The salad's already around 450 to 500 calories. So 2 slices of salami, I think, is plenty. So I just like to cut it into strips. You could dice it if you want, but I just think it looks really nice in the salad as little strips. So I'm going to set that to the side. We've got that. Our next ingredient is chicken. These are already grilled chicken skewers that I get at Costco. They are so good, so easy. Just grab them out of the refrigerator. But if I were to make my own chicken for this recipe, which I normally do, I would use my air fryer chicken breast recipe that I posted last week. So I'm just going to roughly chop up this chicken. It smells so good. And you could warm this chicken if you don't like cold chicken on your salad. I don't mind it. So that's another component done for our salad. One other thing on the salad is turkey bacon, but I really like this alfresco chicken bacon. I find it at Walmart. I have 2 slices warming up in a skillet right behind me, and they warm up like in 30 seconds. It's so quick, and they are so much better than turkey bacon, in my opinion. Okay, here's our 2 slices of chicken bacon. And now we can chop this. It's cold. Now we can assemble our salad. I've got a nice, pretty bowl. You've always got to start with a pretty bowl. And I'm going to fill it with some lettuce. And we're going to sprinkle on 1/4 cup of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. These have been rinsed and drained, or drained and rinsed. If you don't want to use garbanzo beans, don't use garbanzo beans. I know that they add extra carbs. It's not a keto salad. I mean, it could be, but it's more low carb. I like to season my salads with salt and pepper. Now let's add our toppings. Let's put the chicken on and the salami. And the bacon. I've got my own homemade dressing here. It's Italian dressing, but you could just buy some store-bought Italian dressing. And this is linked in the recipe. I'm doing 2 tablespoons, about a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, and then our tomatoes. Now, how good does that look? Now let's get a bite. I want some chicken, I want some bacon, I want some salami. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. So good. It's a super flavorful salad. Thank you, Jennifer Aniston, for making it popular. And yeah, check out the recipe and make it your own. You can change things up. It's perfectly customizable. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.